So another program you can use is called Quicktime, and it's installed on Macs. What you will have is a bar that will appear up at the top that will say Quicktime. If you click File, you can now see Movie, Audio, Screen Recording. You want to click New Screen Recording. This little box will pop up that looks like this. You will then click the actual record. Make sure your microphone's selected. That's a big problem that a lot of people forget to do. Click record, and now you drag the area. So let's say I want to record this little tiny area right here. You click start recording, and now I'm recording. And what you will not notice is up in the right hand corner there is a little black dot that you have to click to stop the recording. Now we play, and now I'm recording. And that's how easy it is. Make sure you save it.